Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Typeform for intake workflow forms, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Typeform website. Log into your Typeform account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, navigate to the workspace where you want to create your intake workflow forms. Click on the Create Typeform button located on the top right corner of the screen. Choose a template that suits your intake needs or start from scratch by selecting Start from Scratch. If you choose a template, review the options. You can select various question types such as multiple choice, short text, or drop-downs. To add a question, click on the plus icon and choose the type of question you want to add. Fill in the question text and, if necessary, add answer options. Make sure to set questions as required if you want all responses to be mandatory. Once your questions are added, proceed to the Design tab to customize the appearance of your form. Here, you can choose colors, fonts, and images to match your branding. Next, head over to the Settings tab. Adjust the settings to suit your workflow, including enabling email notifications. You can also set up a completion message that respondents will see after submitting the form. Now, it's time to connect your Typeform to your desired tools for intake management. Go to the Connect panel and explore integrations with Google Sheets, Zapier, or your favorite tools. For workflow automation, select the integration that best fits your needs. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your accounts for seamless data transfer. Once you've set up the integrations, click on the Share tab to get your form link. You can choose to share via a direct link, embed code, or social media platforms. Copy the link or embed code to distribute your form to your intended audience. Before finalizing, preview your form to ensure everything looks great and functions correctly. After confirming all settings and design elements, click the Publish button to make your form live. Your intake workflow form is now ready for responses. Monitor the responses by returning to the Typeform dashboard. This will allow you to track submissions and manage your intake process effectively. In case of any further adjustments, you can edit your form at any time from the dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.